Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my views on the pathetic condition of Muslims. I have written one poem and dedicated this poem to my Muslim brothers. Whenever I see the Muslims are fighting against each other, my heart aches. We have 57 Muslim countries. We are second in number, yet we are suffering, yet we are falling apart. Why it is so? For me, the basic or core reason is that we are not united anymore. We are divided. We are suffering in Burma. We are suffering in Sham. You may call Syria. We are suffering in Iraq, Iran, in Afghanistan, in Palestine, and we are facing genocide in the shape of our Muslim brothers of Kashmir. I have written this poem to address this issue. In present condition, if we see our Pakistan, it is very pitiable that Muslim is cutting the head of other Muslim in the name of Islam and our Prophet, peace be upon him. My heart is aching. That is why I have written this poem. I am addressing to all my Muslims. I want them to unite again. The title of the poem is Resurrection, the Need of Muslims. O Muslims, rise up and complete the task that God gave you. Hold your faith. Never let the pagans afraid you. You were the king of the world, but that kingdom is lost by you. Faith in God was the weapon for you, but that weapon is lost by you. Muslims, remember, if the whole world is against you, the might of God is with you. Hold your iman, rise up, and let the pagan recall the fall of Kasra again. Might of world will fall under your feet again. Khyber and Constantinople is under your feet. Palestine shall be under your command again. Mighty history of Muslims shall be repeat again. Let the world remember, you haven't accept the defeat. You will stand up and cut the heads of those dirty infidels again. Light of Allah will spread in those dirty temples again. Divine justice shall be upheld again. Mighty powers of the world are meant to fall under your wrath again. Resurrection is the need of Muslims. O Muslims, hold your iman and rise up again. This was the short poem I wrote for my Muslim brothers. If you like this poem, please share my video and subscribe my channel. Ramzan Mubarak. Allah Hafiz.